Hi po and good day to everyone. Today po it's our Wednesday devotional for our LE Living Epistle Montalban, Metro Manila Hills Satellite Church. And today's reading po, makibukas po tayo sa Luke chapter 6 verse 23. Sabi po dyan is, "Rejoice in that day and live for joy, because great is your reward in heaven." Ayan. In this word, Jesus' instruction for those who are hated, insulted, and rejected because of Him, it is hard to understand. Yan, di ba? Hirap na po talagang maunawaan kasi nga nare-reject pa rin yung mga believers. But yet, sabi dito, it runs so counter to our natural emotions in such situation that we can hardly believe He is serious about it. Rejoice? No one enjoys being rejected. Ito naman, talagang walang natutuwa kapag tayo nare-reject, diba? Live for joy? That isn't a normal reaction to pain. How can Jesus possibly say something so apparently absurd? Diba? Parang, it's so absurd na ganun pa yung mararamdaman natin kapag na-reject tayo, diba? So, Jesus probably doesn't expect His disciples actually to enjoy being insulted and hated. It isn't a pleasant feeling even when we're sure for principles are worth it. He knows that. He does, however, expect His disciples to see the bigger picture. He wants us to view the entire landscape and know that the rejection that come with wholeheartedly following Jesus are simply low-lying hills in the foreground. How they appear is a matter of where we stand. Ayan, di ba? May direction talaga dapat yung hope natin sa Panginoon, kasi itong hope na ito is hindi mo naman talaga makikita siya sa rejection eh. Makikita mo siya dun sa reward, kasi yun yung gustong ibigay sa atin ng Panginoon, na makasama niya tayo pag daw dumating siya, is to rejoice and live for joy. That's the hope dapat daw na maramdaman natin. Those who are willing are standing in an eternal perspective. They have put away their misguided ambition of creating their heaven on earth and have embraced the coming kingdom. They can be content with temporary trials because their eyes are open to the eternal panorama. Ayan. Diba? Yun yung truth na talagang dapat natin isa puso. Yun yung hope natin dapat is nasa Lord. Those who rebel against their suffering, however, are still hoping in here and now. Somewhere deep inside, they had expected a better deal in this life and not yet invested their hopes in God's kingdom. They had an agenda for this life that didn't fit with His. And di daw naka-align sa Lord, di ba? This is not just a verse of those who are being persecuted now. Its instruction prepares us for any trial by pointing us to the eternal realities. Ayan, dapat daw ini-embrace natin yung eternal realities. Dapat daw yun yung hope natin sa Lord. Is God's kingdom where we receive our hopes? If so, we will not only tolerate our rejection by this world, but we will see it as a happy confirmation that we are. Ayan. In fact, the union with Jesus, in a very real sense, it will be an occasion to jump for joy. Ayan. Yun nga daw talaga yung pinaka-reason kung bakit tayo magja-jump for joy is because our hope belongs to Jesus and dapat mag-rejoice tayo. Ayan. Napakaganda po ng ating salita, no? Tunay nga na napakabuti ng Panginoon, kasi yung mga nararamdaman natin dito na rejection sa mundo, pansamantala lang yan. Bagamat ito man ay nararanasan natin sa ngayon, hindi naman yan kumbaga, dito lang yan sa mundo, pero yung panghabang buhay at eternal is makakasama natin ng Panginoon, and that's what we hope for. Ayan. And before we end, I would like to invite you all sa ating celebration in God's goodness. Watch our live stream every 2 p.m. Invite more friends po and be blessed. Your family, mga tropa, mga dabarkads dyan. Yan. If you want more, please do follow us on our Facebook page, yung LE Living Epistle Metro Manila Hills Satellite Church. Ayan, please like and follow po ang ating page. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Yan po. For more videos, meron po dyan sa ating YouTube channel, and we will surely answer your concerns. Just PM us sa Messenger or comment down below sa YouTube, and we will answer your concerns or your prayers. Kung gusto niyo po ng prayer requests, ipag-pray po natin yan. Ayan po. And that's all for now. Thank you and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.